How you living life loves? How you living life loves?
Welcome to my channel, Chel's Real Life.
Oh my gosh! I just did a makeup tutorial. I'm wearing falsies, you guys, false eyelashes. These are the LA Colors false eyelashes. Oh, that's going to go up on the channel, but I'm coming to you right now with the LA Colors nails, right? It's like a blush pink and there's some gold and accent nails. It's really pretty. I've never used the LA Colors nails. I don't know what this is going to be like. Hopefully they're not bendy like the I repeat, do not buy the Dollar Tree brand of nails. These are from Dollar Tree, but these are not the Dollar Tree brand. Dollar Tree sells an off-brand that's like just generic, and I'm telling you, those nails suck. Like, they break. It's horrible. And this is the glue that I'll be using. Do not use the glue that comes with the LA Colors nails. Use this. This is super glue and Chick on the Cheap and Do It on a Dime. Both of those women say to use this. I have. It's worked. Just make sure you got some good nails. So we will find out if these LA Colors nails are good. By the way, you guys, I'm wearing falsies. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any tips on how to apply falsies, because I only wear them to act, but I'm telling you, it's like, well, I should wear some because I have pretty thick eyelashes, and they're pretty long as well. But I'm like, well, let me see what they look like. Yeah, they're a clumpy mess, but they're cute. So, and I actually like the LA Colors brand. I'm like, oh, this is decent. So if y'all have something in the comments below, let your girl know some tips on how to apply them. Do I put on the makeup first and then the eyelashes? Because that's what I did here and it didn't seem to work. So do I put on the eyelashes first and then the makeup? Whatevs. Anyway, I'm going to get right into it. So let me just show you real quick what I have on my table. On my table, I have my remote because I'm going to be watching something. But I got my little bowl of warm water that I just put out. I had this out earlier, but I just put this out. Then I have this nail file. Both of these, I believe, are from Dollar Tree. And this is the diamond one. This is Princessa. This LA Colors base coat, top coat. It's also from Dollar Tree. I'm not going to put the base coat on, obviously, but I will put the top coat on. This normally only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, seriously. But that just depends on if the nails fit and if I have to cut them and yada, yada, yada. But normally it's really quickly, like when I use the Kiss nails. And then I have this, the super glue. So we're going to really quickly go through this. I'm not going to soak, but I am going to soak. I'm going to let you see the time. Right now, the time is saying that it's 6:15. By 6:30, I'm going to be done these nails, you guys. Let's get right to it. So I'm going to try and soak. And actually, what I may end up doing is seeing if I can just set the camera there and you guys can actually watch it. And if you hear anything in the background, it's Arden. He's getting ready. So, and I'm just going to film and fast forward. Enjoy. Okay, so at first glance, some of the nails are really pretty. You can see they're really, really pretty. This blush mauve, it's like a mix of mauve and blush together to me. It's really, really pretty. So what I normally do is just figure out which nail is which, and then lay them out in the order that they'll go on my nails on each hand. So thumb here, you know, pointer here, index, yada yada yada. Anyway, but what? Hi, my pep. Hi, pretty girl. So what I've noticed, you guys, is that this hi, she's coming over here. What you doing? Mommy's trying to do her nails. I'm not gonna do your nails. Girl, if you don't, do y'all see this? Girl, get off my nail table. You see how little she is though, y'all? She's never gonna get bigger than this. It's hilarious. She's 2. She just turned 2. Okay, Pepper. Oh my gosh, she's dropping my stuff. Pepper! Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything up. So I'm gonna set them all out. The only thing that I've noticed is that, hold on, is it on here? I'm having trouble figuring out what's the top and bottom, but if you can see, that needs to be it's a little hard. So even on the soft nails, I just took the nail file and filed it down a little bit. If you see that little thing on there. And here's Boobs. Hi, Boopsie. Are you guys what you smelling my nails for? Hi, handsome. Hi, beautiful boy. Say hi to all the life loves. Say hi, life loves. Say hi, life loves. Say hi. Meow. Okay, a meow that's not a meow. Say hi, Boobs. Say hi. Okay. Well, he's a good boy. Yes, yes. Can y'all get off where I'm doing the nails? Really? Y'all are nail blocking. And Pepper's licking the water that Arden just brought me. I couldn't make this stuff up if I wanted to. Pepper! So here's the finished product. I am so sorry, you guys. I got rushed. I actually have to leave now to go to eat. And it's way later than it was when I started because these nails are not as easy to tell what is the top and what is the bottom. These are the nails. I really, really love them. I think they're really pretty. That would be my only issue with the LA colors is I wish that it was easier to tell what's the top and what's the bottom. That's what took me so long. But other than that, I love them. I think they're gorgeous. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think about my nails. Woohoo! And I will see you in the next video. And let me know in the comments below if you've tried these nails or what you think the best faux nails are to do at home. And how long do yours last when you do them? Have you done them with this? And if you have, how long have they last? All right, guys, that's it for today. God bless you guys. Have a great one.